Hi everyone, this is a channel to learn and treat with herbal medicine. Please register for channels to regularly update the latest news. According to Oriental medicine, sweet sugar alum sugar, used to treat bronchitis, dry sputum, cough, sore throat, blood gas damage, dizziness, headache. 1. Treat cough, sore throat. Method 120g tangerine peel, 100 grams alum sugar cooked with 1.5 liters of water. Cook real tangerine peel. Use both the water and the one to treat the weather-induced dry cough. Use for 3 to 5 days. Method 2. Take the fresh rose petals and bring them with a little sugar to drink to treat the cough caused by the weather. Use for 3 to 5 days. Note: rose petals should be soaked in salt water before being added to make sure they do not contain chemicals. Method 3. Take some alum sugar with a few slices of fresh ginger, peel off the peel, puree, and put in a cup. Bring the breaks to boiling water to treat colds caused by tea. Weather. Method 4. Fruit pear, cut across the knob and cut the pear core. Give honey or alum sugar, then boil the water. Use both the water and the water. 2. Stimulate digestion, eat appetite. Use about 50 grams peeled gourd. Rinse with a little alum sugar into the pot with 750 milliliters distilled until out 250 milliliters remaining. Removing residue, taking water, drinking each day helps stimulate digestion, eating more deliciously. 3. Good for cardiovascular. Ingredients: 30 grams alum sugar, 50 grams lotus seed, 10 grams ginseng, 100 grams delicious sticky rice. How to do: lotus seeds remove the mind, along with the ingredients on the pot to cook porridge. When the porridge is nearly cooked, add the alum sugar and stir. This dish helps regulate cardiovascular blood tonic. Performed continuously for 10 days. 4. Lower blood pressure. Ingredients: sugar alum with 50 grams dried chrysanthemum, washed. How to do: put chrysanthemum in the pot with the amount of water you have just cooked to boil. Cook for another 10 minutes, let it cool, then decant the water, then add the sugar water to the alum and stir well. Drinking every day helps lower blood pressure, refreshing spirit. 5. Treatment of inflammation and cirrhosis. 20 grams of alum sugar, 30 grams of apples, 20 grams of peanuts cooked with water during the day. Use 1 month. If the disease subsides, take 1 month off and then continue the course. 6. Reduce fever. 100 to 200 g squash, peeled, sliced, alum sugar in a suitable dosage, add some water to stir, cook into tea. Use for 3 to 5 days until fever relief.